Looking for that culinary edge? That big taste that's easy to master? It's time to go rogue with Napoleon. Introducing the Rogue XT series. The Rogue has been remodeled, bringing you all the best features plus a larger size. Available in 5-burner, 4-burner, 3-burner, and 2-burner models in both stainless steel and black. Napoleon is making it easy to deliver a great meal every time. The Rogue XT includes an infrared sizzle zone side burner and large side shelves, making them the perfect choice in entertaining for an intimate dinner or a family meal. The Napoleon XT series includes cast iron cooking grids that quickly retain heat, great for searing, and allows for true, even cooking. These grills have high lids, allowing for larger cuts of meat to be easily grilled, and also include a warming rack, adding more cooking space to your grill. Stay close to all the action and go rogue with Napoleon.